So I've got a load of mosquito larvae in the net. Let's put the net into the water. This way we can try and feed water boatmen. I'm not 100% sure that this will work, but we'll try it and see. So, the water boatman's on the bottom. You can see it's covered in air, and it's actually upside down at the minute. You can see its little eyes. As I say, when it's up the other way, you can sort of see underwater and above and below water. You can see the air bubble around its body. You can see those the back legs. It's got 6 legs, 2 front ones that it catches the prey with, 2 middle ones that it kind of steers with and helps to swim, and then the 2 back ones which you can see there, which is the reason that it's called a water boatman, because of those 2 back legs make it look like it's a little man in a boat rowing a boat. And like I say, it's got the air around it. It's just going to swim up to the surface, and once it gets to the surface it'll absorb air off that's up the other way now, see, and you can see it's, there we go, you can see it's still, you can see above the water and below the water sort of thing, and you can see it's got its little mouth parts there as well, and it'll absorb the water, sorry, it'll absorb the air through kind of its tail there, which it transfers over the rest of its body, and then when it's under the water it can hold its breath and just breathe through that air there. Now there's a mosquito larvae floating up near it. Whether it'll catch it or not, I don't know whether we'll be able to see that or not, but they do eat different insects, mosquito larvae and all sorts of things. So I've just put a whole scoop of mosquito larvae in so you can see. You can see it's rubbing its body and moving the air around, cleaning its mouth parts as well. When you take them out of the water, they quite often look white from the other side, and their little eyes shine up, and they're kind of weirdly pretty, I guess, is the only way to describe it. Anyway, this is a water boatman, and that thing, oh, it's just a bit of dirt or detritus, is it? But anyway, I have put some mosquito larvae in here, and I'm hoping that it'll try and feed on them. Now you might be wondering how they get from pond to pond and move around so much, and the way they do it is when they turn over they'll float to the surface, and they've got wings underneath their kind of wing cases like a beetle, and they'll open their wings and they'll fly from pond to pond, much the same as a pond skater or a pond strider, or even diving beetles. They can all fly, and that's how they get from place to place, from pond to pond. Just wanted to show you a very interesting, freaky, fascinating little beast that we have here in the UK. Look, there it is, swimming about, holding its breath, using the breath in that bubble of water. And it's actually sat on the bottom of the pond, or in this case a giant bowl, and it's down there holding its breath, using that air sac in the water.